This world can be a stressful place. Most of us face pressure every day from school, college, work, or even friends and family. And it's not uncommon to feel stressed out. This can have a negative effect on our health, work, and relationships as well. And the solution for all this is self care. Now, small little habits in your everyday life can boost your confidence and help you communicate better and also better your relationships. This can also make you feel really creative and productive. I'm having one such self-care day today and I thought I would take you guys along. So just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So I woke up quite some time back and my first step to a good self-care day has to be a good breakfast. So I'm having a wholesome nutritious breakfast today. I am gonna have matcha chia pudding. It's very simple. I just added in some matcha powder while I prepared my chia pudding, and that is gonna be my breakfast for today. So yeah, let's go have some breakfast. Now it's time for me to pamper myself a little. I take care of the skin on my face literally every day, but I tend to ignore my body a lot. So today is one such day that I'm going to be pampering my body. I'm going to be using my most favorite ingredient, that is coffee, and I'm going to show you how a coffee body routine has done wonders to my skin. When it comes to a body pampering session, I don't do anything more than a good body scrub and a good moisturizer right after that. That is something that I've been following from years now and it absolutely works for me. If you know me well, then you also know that I swear by this body scrub from M Caffeine. So in today's video, I'm going to pamper myself with their body polishing kits, which is a coffee scrub and a cocoa butter cream. Now M Caffeine is India's first caffeinated personal care brand and I absolutely love their products. They smell so good. So yeah, let's just dive in and pamper ourselves. So like I told you, the first step of my body pampering session has to be a good body scrub, and I'm using the M Caffeine coffee scrub. Now this has pure Arabica coffee. This body scrub is very gentle on your skin, so it helps you scrub away all those dead skin cells, leaving your skin super smooth and supple. This coffee body scrub also helps you deal with cellulite. You just have to take some amount, wet your skin and apply it in circular motions. I'm just going to demonstrate in a bit, but another best part why I love this body scrub is that it helps you control body hair. It helps you improve your blood circulation. I'm going to start off by wetting my skin with some water, and then I'm going to take the product, that is the coffee body scrub. I'm just going to place some of it on my arms and then begin massaging in circular motions. It polishes and relieves skin from stress. The add-on is the zesty aroma of coffee that will wake up your senses. After that, I'm going to just wash off and dry my skin. Next step of my body pamper routine has to be a moisturizer. Now right from my childhood, my mother has always told me that it's really important to moisturize my body, and I'm going to pass it on to you guys as well. If you want your skin to look healthier, then moisturization is the ultimate answer, guys. So I'm just going to be using this body butter. This is their Choco body butter and it smells delicious. Of course, it has cocoa butter and also goodness of caramel, so I can just literally eat this up. I've been using it for quite some time now and I'm absolutely in love with this. It literally just feels like butter. If you can see, it's got like a really buttery feel to it. It has goodness of vitamin E, argan oil and also cocoa butter, which are all extremely moisturizing. Because it is extremely important to nourish your skin after a body scrub, I'm using the body butter. It is just so smooth, so it'll help you soothe your skin and close all the open pores. Guys, I ordered flowers for myself and I think it's really important to make yourself feel special sometimes. It's a very important step of self-care. Now you don't have to wait for someone to do things for you. You can do it for yourself, and yeah, that's what I just did. I love flowers, so I ordered flowers. And also I got myself a note. I know it's very funny, but it's really important to write notes to yourself because you know yourself more than anyone else, right? So this is the note. So it's really important for you to, leave some notes, some loving, kind notes for yourself, because like I told you, you exactly know what you're going through. You exactly know what you are. So yeah, also self-love is a process wherein you realize that you are enough. It's a process where you learn to love yourself. So when you love yourself, that's when you're able to love others as well. So I think very happy with these. I look like a crap, but that's okay. I'm just chilling, and I think I'm going to watch something now. Also, self-love is accepting yourself the way you are, accepting your flaws and acknowledging them, not being ashamed of being yourself. It's really important. So I'm just doing that with my crappy hair all over, but that's fine. Yeah, so like I told you, I'm just going to chill and watch Gilmore Girls. It's one of my most favorite TV shows. It's so comforting. So yeah, if you're having a self-care day, don't think about anything else. Just chill and do something that makes you feel comfortable, that gives you peace. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'll see you later. So I had a great time lazing around, and I think I want to do something creative now, something that's very therapeutic. I would usually paint, but I am kinda into makeup lately, using all bright colors on my eyes, and I think I'm just going to do that. I found some inspiration on Instagram. I'm just going to insert a picture so that you guys know what I'm talking about, and let's get started. I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. But clearly I don't see myself up on the list. I think it looks really cool, doesn't it? My fingers look all colorful. It looks like petals. This was very therapeutic. I enjoyed doing this, and the breeze was amazing. So the nature is on my side too. Anyhow, I'm just gonna let this be for some time and then wash it off and then go for a walk. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. That was all about today. I'm just going to end the day with some hot cuppa tea. I love having tea because I feel it relaxes me. So that's basically how I spent my day, full of self-love and self-care. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.